Because that's the start when the
Look,
robot is knocking. They're gonna wash it again.
look. This is so exciting.
This is how to milk the cow. Milk and cow.
Look, it's gonna clean first the teeth. It's gonna clean the teeth first. It's gonna clean the teeth first, and then look, it's cleaning. You guys are super lucky to see this in person. See? And it's so clean. Yeah. Look, and then it's rinsing the cleaner. That's so cool. And then the other side ulit. Ooh, so four teeth are being cleaned, 2 at a time. And it's being thoroughly cleaned. Oh, that is super cool.
It's 2 times na clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have to make sure that it's clean.
Yeah. But you'd rather have like your milk clean, right? Oh, it's finding the teeth one at a time.
Finding what?
The teeth. The boo. The boo. The milk boo. Milk extraction.
Getting your throat, working your throat.
Oh.
Next cow is making.
And it's so clean. I like it. You know how clean this operation is. It's super cool.
You used to do this before, right? You used to